Hey you all, it's Vlogmas day 9. Woo! So far, ooh, I look really just crusty, but y'all, this is just me, you know, on like a day off. But yeah, today's Vlogmas day 9. I have a special video for you guys. I thought it'd be interesting to do, and I actually like so far the way the video is. It is a time lapse of me cleaning my room, y'all. Cleaning like my filming area, like just different parts of my room, vacuuming, you know, because it was time honestly to clean it. So I was like, why not make a video out of this? You know, somebody will find it entertaining. So let's just get right into those clips, and then I will see you towards the end of the video. Toodles. Enjoyed those clips of me cleaning my room. I didn't show myself put these away, but I also put all like this stuff away. I should like show you kind of like an overview. See how clean it looks? But you see how clean it looks now? Yes, it's clean now. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in Vlogmas day 10. Wow, 10 days. Y'all, I'm doing a good job. I'm so proud of myself. Doodles.